Tools needed for repair of the cutting deck bearing housing. Start the tightening bearing box dismounting by unscrewing the shaft washer and bearing shell. Use a tool not to deform the cage and press out the shaft. Gently knock the lower bearing out of the cage. Now take out the bearing shell, pulley and spacing ring. Dismount the circlip, ensuring the bearing, and use a tool to press out the bearing. Check the tightness of the bearing shell. Any loose bolts should be sealed and tightened. Press the new bearing into the shell and ensure by spacing ring. Clean the shaft blade properly and parallel key into the groove. While assembling, use the centering product, which should be tightened in the lower position. Move the spacing ring to the side to allow alignment, pulley and bearing shell. Now release the tool and center all components. Put the compensation plate on the top and put both grooves into position. Use grease oil to grease the shaft for better assembly and eventual disassembly. Once again, make sure the grooves are in the right position and press into position the shaft. Press into position the second bearing. Flange plate on the bearing shell must point through the cutout in between the bolt holes, tightening the mower deck. Tighten the bolts alternately until the shell is completely clamped. Do not forget to glue it. Tap the bearing cover in place. And mount the shaft washer. In case of driving bearing box repairment, it is also necessary to dismount the pulley hub. Use the proper tool for pulling out, not to damage it. Grease and press it again when mounting the hub. The further procedure is the same as with the tightening bearing box.